Bill Nye, the famous scientist, has inspired people for years with his exciting stories about amazing discoveries and the mysteries that come with them. He has sparked our interest in the universe and its puzzling secrets, helping us understand the vastness of space that stretches above us endlessly. Now, Bill Nye is sharing his thoughts on the incredible new pictures taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. These images let us see the universe as it looked more than 13 billion years ago. This is a big moment in science, as it changes how we understand the universe and even life itself. The telescope is helping scientists learn about distant planets, galaxies, and many other space mysteries, making it a worthy successor to the famous Hubble Space Telescope. What makes the images from the Webb telescope so special? How do they surprise us and make us rethink what we know? Bill Nye dives into these questions. The telescope was made possible thanks to many years of hard work by NASA scientists and engineers. It was launched on Christmas Day in 2021, and over the next few months, its complex setup went smoothly. By June 2022, scientists started discovering thousands of new galaxies. Some of these galaxies are older and farther away than any galaxies we've ever seen before. They might have formed as early as 150 million years before the oldest galaxies found by the Hubble telescope. The Webb telescope has also collected light from faraway objects like planets and stars. This light gives scientists clues about what these objects are made of and how they move through space. Bill Nye explains that these findings are already revealing detailed information about the atmospheres of planets that are many light years away. These discoveries could even help us understand if some of these planets might be able to support life. One of the most famous pictures from the Hubble telescope is called the Pillars of Creation, which shows a stunning cloud of gas and dust in a part of space called the Eagle Nebula. Hubble captured this image using visible light, but it couldn't show what was happening inside the pillars. The Webb telescope, using infrared light, revealed something incredible. There are young stars forming within the pillars. These baby stars, which look like small red dots in the image, are much larger than our solar system. They are made from thick clouds of gas and dust and are still in the process of forming. Bill Nye explains that these stars aren't burning hydrogen yet, which is how stars, like our sun, create energy. But as more gas and dust pile up at their center, the stars get denser and hotter. Eventually, they reach a point where hydrogen fusion starts, creating massive amounts of heat, around 2 million degrees Celsius. The colors in the Webb images are not what we would see with our eyes. They show different types of infrared light, which humans can't normally see. These colors help scientists understand the energy and heat coming from the young stars. Exoplanets, which are planets outside our solar system, were first discovered in the 1990s. Today, over 3,000 of them have been confirmed. Most exoplanets are too far away to be seen directly, so scientists detect them by observing how their star's light dims when the planets pass in front of them. The first direct picture of an exoplanet was taken in September of last year. This planet, named HIP 65426b, is a giant gas planet about 12 times the size of Jupiter. It is extremely far from its star, 100 times farther away than Earth is from the Sun. Thanks to the Webb telescope's incredible infrared sensitivity, this planet was captured in stunning detail. The telescope has also revealed new details about a galaxy called the Ghost Galaxy, M74. This galaxy, with its spiral shape and glowing center, looks beautiful in pictures taken with visible light. However, the Webb telescope's infrared images show something even more remarkable: heat-emitting dust and gas in the galaxy's spiral arms, glowing brightly in electric blue. These images highlight areas where new stars are being formed. Scientists combined pictures from both the Hubble and Webb telescopes to create a composite image, showing the galaxy in both visible and infrared light. This helped researchers learn even more about how stars and galaxies are born. In July, the Webb telescope captured an image of a distant star called Wolf-Rayet 140. This star showed a unique pattern of rings around it. These rings are created when strong winds from the star push out gas and dust, which interact with a smaller nearby star. This interaction produces a beautiful pattern that looks like ripples. Scientists believe this star is near the end of its life and is shedding a lot of its outer layers. The Webb telescope has also discovered some of the oldest galaxies ever observed. In December, researchers announced that the telescope had found 4 galaxies that are 13.4 billion years old. These galaxies existed when the universe was only about 350 million years old, just 2% of its current age. Scientists studied the light from these galaxies using a tool on the telescope that measures their distance. This light, called a redshift, stretches as the universe expands, allowing scientists to calculate how far away these galaxies are. Another exciting discovery from the Webb telescope is its study of an exoplanet named WASP-39b, located 700 light-years from Earth. This planet is a gas giant, similar in size to Saturn, and orbits very close to its star, much closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Using the telescope's tools, scientists found sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other gases in the planet's thick atmosphere. These discoveries help scientists understand what these distant planets are made of and whether they might support life. The Webb telescope's ability to capture infrared light has opened up new ways to study space. Unlike the Hubble telescope, which mainly sees visible light, Webb can look through thick clouds of gas and dust, revealing parts of the universe that were hidden before. For example, it has shown how stars form from dense clouds over millions of years. By studying these processes, scientists are learning more about how our own solar system and planet came to be. Webb's findings are also challenging what we know about the early universe. By capturing images of galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, the telescope is helping scientists understand how the first structures in the universe came together. This research may even help us figure out how the universe continues to grow and change. In addition to stars and galaxies, the telescope is helping scientists study black holes, mysterious objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. Webb's data could reveal how massive black holes shape the galaxies around them and influence the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than just a scientific tool. It's a symbol of human creativity and teamwork. Its creation involved years of effort by people from around the world, including NASA, the European Space Agency (ESA), and the Canadian Space Agency (CSA). The telescope shows what we can achieve when we work together to push the limits of knowledge. As Webb continues to send back data, scientists are eager to explore its findings. From studying distant planets to uncovering the secrets of ancient galaxies, the telescope is helping us learn more about the universe and our place in it. Its discoveries bring us closer to answering big questions, like whether we are alone in the universe and how everything around us came to be. The future of space exploration is brighter than ever, thanks to the incredible work of the James Webb Space Telescope.